Welcome to the BB Star YouTube channel. Click on that little red button to subscribe to my channel to get the latest videos on how much your favorite YouTubers earn. And click on the bell notification icon to get post notifications and never missing any new videos. So how do YouTubers get paid? They make money by monetizing their videos with ads running through them. The money you earn depends on your CPM. And the CPM stands for cost per thousand. And CPM is the amount an advertiser pays to have his ads served against videos 1,000 times. It is calculated based on how many people watch the video and from where the people are watching the video. Many factors affect CPM, and these include demographics, content, gender, and time of watch. YouTube will also take 45% of your revenue from the advertising. In 2018, advertisers spent an average of $3 per thousand views. Let's go over Laura in the Kitchen's YouTube channel. She currently has 3,405,093 subscribers. Total amount of views is 516,867,511. Now let's do some math and calculate how much money this channel has earned so far. So 516,867,511 multiplied by CPM of 4, which is 0.004, and you get $2,067,470. Now of course with this, YouTube gets a cut of the revenue. YouTube gets 45% and this channel gets 55%. So you have to do $2,067,470 multiplied by 0.55 and you get $1,137,108. Daily subs is currently 712. Monthly subs is at 21,344. Daily revenue, and this is going to be an estimate. Daily views is currently 120,000. A monetized playback is 80% of daily views. So 80% of 120,000 is 96,000. And the reason I chose 80% is because I noticed that from my own YouTube channel that 80% of my views were actually monetized. And a monetized playback is just whenever you see ads on a video, then you know that the video is monetized. And people that use ad blocker, they don't see ads, so then the video is not monetized. CPM is $4. So daily income is the monetized playback multiplied by the CPM. So 96,000 multiplied by 0.004 and you get $384. Monthly income is $384 multiplied by 30 and you get $11,520. Annual revenue, and this is going to be an estimate. So the revenue is $11,520 multiplied by 12 and you get $138,240. YouTube gets a cut of the revenue. YouTube gets 45% and this channel gets 55%. So you have to do $138,240 multiplied by 0.55 and you get $76,032 per year just from YouTube ad revenue alone. And of course there's other streams of income they can have, like merch, affiliate sales, and sponsorships. So they can make a lot more money than you think they can. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if the next YouTuber you want me to do next.